Counterfeit cash, bad checks, and a history of fraud. Tonight, 5 investigators asking how a felon with a checkered past ended up tied to a daycare that collected millions of your tax dollars. Investigative reporter Ryan Race joins us with the interesting connection he just uncovered.
I was at the original child care center when federal agents came out with boxes and boxes of records. Since then, we have followed the paper trail, and it led us right to the courthouse and several police departments. Crisp, freshly printed $100 bills with red Chinese symbols on the back. That's what South St. Paul police say Carlos Lamar Biggers used to buy this car on Facebook Marketplace.
Were you aware that the cash was fraudulent?
No.
In his jailhouse interview, Biggers acted clueless.
So you were completely unaware that it was fake money?
No, I didn't know. I never dealt with any counterfeit or whatever. I've never been in a situation like that.
But records show he pulled off the same scam months earlier. More fake cash to steal another car in Rochester. And it's just part of his long criminal history, showing he's a serial thief, passing fake checks in Golden Valley and Anoka, breaking into this business in St. Paul, and joining a friend to rob a man off Craigslist in Eden Prairie. Yet 5 investigates uncovered back in 2021, Carlos Lamar Biggers signed on as a registered agent at the original child care center in Minneapolis, the same center raided by the feds last month.
What's your reaction to that?
It's unusual.
Tom Calhoun Lopez worked as a prosecutor in the U.S. Attorney's Office in Minneapolis before heading into private practice earlier this year. He says a registered agent is typically a passive administrative role, a sole point of contact for legal documents, and needs to be available at the address listed. In this case, that's the daycare.
There's no requirements that a registered agent not have a criminal record. But there are a lot of reasons why a corporation or other entity would not want, as its registered agent, somebody with a significant criminal history. That's especially true for a daycare center.
The Department of Children, Youth and Families turned down my request for an interview, but in response to my question said it is not authorized to do background checks on registered agents like they do for others at the daycare. A spokesperson added that a registered agent does not necessarily mean they have ownership stake. The CEO of Original Childcare is Busad Kere. No one came to the door at his Fridley home, and the person who picked up my call abruptly ended it.
She's kind of busy. Okay, bye.
Billing records we obtained shows in the last 8 years the daycare collected more than $6 million in taxpayer dollars set aside for families that can't afford the care. We don't know if Carlos Biggers got any of that money.
People watching this are probably going to have the same question I have, is how did someone with that kind of history get involved with a taxpayer-funded daycare?
I think that law enforcement and regulators are going to be asking that same question.
To add to this mystery, the other registered agent for this daycare happens to be a woman who was with Biggers each time he stole those cars with fake cash. She was never charged. Back to you.
All right, many of our stories start with a tip. If you have something that you would like 5 investigates to check out, we want to hear from you. Pass it along. You can send us your ideas right on our website at KSTP.com. We appreciate it.